Welcome all of you for this live session. Firstly, I would like to wish you the best for your upcoming Infosys exam. Ready, 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 ready. Let us look at the questioning pattern. Can you answer this question? Comment your answers please quickly. For the class interval 72 93, the class width is, what is the class width? Class width is nothing but what? Difference between upper limit and lower limit. Can you find the answer? 21. Class width is nothing but what? Difference between upper limit and lower limit. Very good. Can you answer this question? Which two signs should be interchanged to make the below equation mathematically correct? First option, in first option, what the signs? Minus and plus. If you interchange minus and plus, 4 minus 8 division 16 into 13, and minus is interchanged as plus 7 is equal to 8. So first check whether it is giving correct answer or not. First you have to operate division as per V board mass rule. So 4 minus what is the value? 1 by 2, okay, into 13 plus 7. As per this one you have to calculate into, as per V board mass rule, 4 minus 13 by 2 plus 1. Then you have to do what? Plus 4 plus 7, 11. 11 minus 13 by 2. LCM is 2. 22 minus 13. 22 minus 13 is nothing but what? 9. 9 by 2 is 8. No. Option A is eliminated. Option A is eliminated. Let's go for option B. Interchange the signs. 4 into 8. Okay. Division is interchanged by into. Okay. Into 16. Sorry, first 4 plus 8 and 8 into 16 and 16 division 13 minus 7. Is it going to give the answer 8? First division 16 by 13, 4 plus 8 into 16 by 13 minus 7. Okay, after this calculate and get the answer. Are we getting the correct answer here? Are we getting the correct answer here? 108, 4 plus 80 plus 48, 108 by 13 minus 7. Okay, no, it is also not giving the correct answer. Let's go for option C. Let's go for option C. In this one, plus and into are interchanged. 4 into 8 division 16 and 16 plus 13 minus 7. Okay, first you have to operate division. 4 into 1 by 2 plus 13 minus 7. Then you have to operate into, here the value is 2 plus 13 minus 7. So you have to operate 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7, 8. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer. So you have to interchange the signs. Option C, plus and into. Plus and into, you have to interchange. Ready? Can you answer this question? Syllogisms. Some pens are pencils. Some pens are what? Pencils. Some pens are pencils. Then some pens are papers. Some pens are what? Papers. These are papers. So look at the, sorry, I have drawn as per the conclusion. First, some papers are pens. Some papers are what? Pens. And next, all pencils are, all pencils are pens. All pencils. All pencils inside the pencil. All pencils inside the pencil. Okay, look at the first conclusion. Some pens are pencils. Some pens are pencil. This is the pens circle. In this circle, small portion is related to pencils. So some pens are becoming pencils. Yes, true. Second one is what? Some pens are papers. Some part of the pens is becoming papers. Yes or no? Yes. Option is both. Conclusion 1 and 2 follow. Okay. Some pens are, some pens are pencils. Yes. Some pens are papers. Yes. And look at the next one. Can you answer this question? A cube is painted yellow on all faces. Cube will have totally 6 faces. Okay, on every face it is painted with yellow, and all faces cut into 27 small cubes. 27 small cubes of equal size. And how many small cubes are painted on one face only? One face only. So they are making you totally 27 cuts. 27 cuts is nothing but 27 small cubes are there, which is nothing but they are making 3 into 3 into 3. Totally 3 cuts on everything. Okay. And directly I told you the logic also in my previous video. So you can, how many, only one side faces painted is n minus 2 whole square. What is the n value? Number of cuts, how many here? 3 cuts are there. So 3 minus 2 whole square, nothing but okay, 1 cube. So totally how many faces are there? 6 faces. So total answer is what? 6 cubes. This is the direct formula. You can write n minus 2 whole square, which is to find out how many one faces painted. On every face only one side painted. How many cubes? One face. Okay, for every phase one cube is there, one side painted. Like that it has 6 phases, 6 smaller cubes. one side painted formula n minus 2 whole square. N is nothing but number of cuts. 27 I have written 3 into 3 into 3. If 64 is given, you have to write 4 into 4 into 4. Nothing but 4 cuts. Here 3 cuts. Okay, n value is 3. One cube is there for every side, which is one side painted. Like that, 6 phases, 6 cubes. Can you answer this question? Range of the data. What is the highest number and what is the lowest number, and find out the difference. Highest number is 83 and what is the lowest number? 5. Comment your answer. Comment your answer. Okay. Previously, I told you about cube problem. This is most important. In almost every drive, this question was there. Okay. Let's say one face of a cube. 3 cuts are there. 1, 2. Okay. And 3. 1, 2. Like this. Like this. Only one side painted is only one cube. Only one side painted, one cube. Can you answer this question? There is no more, there is no more room for you in this compartment. Is there any error? There is no more room for you in this compartment. In the compartment, we don't have any room or such type of things. We use, there is no more space. There is no more space for you in this compartment. There is no more room is not the right usage because it is a compartment. There is no more space for you in this compartment. Can you answer this question? If plus and minus 7 and 6 are interchangeable, which of the following equation will be correct? 7 and 6 are interchanged. 6 and first option is 7 plus 6 into 2, and plus operation is interchanged as minus, and 6 is interchanged as 7, minus operation interchanged as plus, and finally 5. Apply board mass 12 minus 7 plus 5. 12 plus 5 nothing but 17. 17 minus 7 is nothing but 10, but they are giving you 8. Option 1 wrong. Go for option 2. Plus and minus are interchanged. 5 minus 7 5 minus 7 means what? 5 plus is interchanged as minus, 7 is interchanged as 6 into 2, and minus is interchanged as plus, 6 is interchanged as 7. So apply V board mass again. First you have to do minus, okay, and then you have to do add 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 0. Yes. Everyone like the video, whoever is attending. Frequency of any observation cannot be. Comment your answer. Frequency of any observation cannot be what? Comment, comment, comment. I'm expecting comments from everyone. Frequency response means frequency means how many times of a particular observation occurs. Okay, only integers you have to take 1, 2, 3, something like that. But it cannot be in the fraction or decimal. So what is the answer? Comment. Can you answer this question? More than one person. More than one person means plural. Plural means subject verb agreement. If singular person, singular verb. Subject is plural. Verb is also plural. Not was. Were. Comment your answer. Ready? Can you answer this question? Nitin was counting down numbers from 32. 32. Counting down. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, and so on. Okay. Sumit was counting upwards numbers from starting from 1. Okay. He is starting. This is about Nitin and this is about Sumit. Sumit was counting upward numbers starting from 1 and he was calling out only odd numbers. Nothing but the 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So what common number they will call out at the same time if they are calling at the same speed? Their speed is same. Okay, their speed is same. What common number will they call out at the same time also? At the same time also. Okay, even you write like this also. Same number, same speed. And here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. And next 13. And next here it is only 25. Here 15. And next 24. Here it is 17. And next 23. Here it is 19. And here it is 22. And here it is 21. 21. Can you try answer? But at the same time, they have to call a common number if their speeds are same. Answer is they will never say the common number. Otherwise, you can write also. Otherwise, you can write also 21, 22, and here it is 23. And next it is 20, 25, and here 19, 27, and here 17, and here it is 18, and here it is 29. So they will say never common number. you answer this question? They were all shocked at his failure in this competition. They, subject plural, verb is also plural, no problem. They were all shocked. They were all shocked, okay, at his failure in the competition. Are you finding any error? Comment. Are you finding any error? I think there is no error in that given statement. Ready? Answer this question. Some dogs are bats. Some dogs are what? Bats. Some bats are cats. Some bats are what? Cats. Conclusions. Look at the conclusion. Some dogs are cats. Is there any relation between dogs and cats? No, there is no relationship. That is wrong. And second one. Some cats are dogs. Is there any relation between cats and dogs? No, that is also wrong. Answer for this question. Neither one nor two follows. Can you answer this question? In a certain code language, 13 means stop smoking. 59 means injurious habit. What is the meaning of 9 and 5 respectively in that code language? Okay, so if you look at this one, 15713. 15713 means 157 is this one, and 13 means stop smoking. If you observe this, what is the common number in these two? 1 is the common. 1 is the common. And what is the common word in these two? Stop. Henceforth, what is the code for 1? Stop. Okay. And next one, if you observe 839, 839 and 59, what is the meaning of 59? 839 59, what is the common number? 9 is the common. And what is the common code? Injurious. Injurious, that means what is the code for 9? Injurious. Injurious. Okay. And and 1 is means stop. Smoking means 3 here. Smoking means what? 3 here. So smoking is nothing but 3, and ease is nothing but 8. Ease is nothing but what? 8. Stop is nothing but 1. Okay, stop is nothing but 1, and habit is nothing but what? 5, and this is obviously 7. Are we able to find out the numbers for 9 and 5? Yes. If you compare these two, if you compare these two, definitely we can identify the code for 9 comma 5. Can you answer this question? Despite of their differences on matters of principles, they all agree on the demand of the hike's salary. So, which is the common error here? Despite of. We don't use despite. In spite of, you will use. Despite is the only word you use. Despite their differences is the correct usage. Despite their differences, not different. Despite of their differences. Can you answer? All the windows are doors. All the windows are inside the doors. All the windows are inside the doors, and no door is a wall. There is no relationship between door and wall. Okay, look at the conclusion. What is the first conclusion? Some windows are walls. Some windows are walls. Is there any relation between windows and walls? No. Wrong. Next one. No wall is a door. No wall is a door. Okay. No wall is a door. Can we connect a wall with the door? No, because no wall is a door. We cannot connect. They are also saying same thing. That's why it is true. Only conclusion 2 follows. They are saying, is there any possibility of connecting wall with the door? Can we connect? No, we cannot connect because there is a rule. There should be no relationship between door and wall. There is no relation. That's why they are also saying same. That's why I put it as correct. Can you answer this question? A man took a loan from a bank at the rate of interest 10 percentage at compound interest. After 2 years he paid 14,520, the principal amount borrowed by him. So what is the rate of interest? 10 percentage. 10 percentage nothing but 1 by 10. 10 percentage nothing but what? 10 by 100. Nothing but what? 1 by 10. So actual principal amount is 10. Rate of interest is 1. So plus 1. Interest means you have to get extra. So principal amount is equals to 10 parts. Actual amounts is equals to 10 plus 1, nothing but 11 parts, because actual amount is nothing but the principal amount plus interest. So 10 plus 1, totally 11. They are saying for 2 years now. 2 years means write it for second time also. When you multiply 100 and when you multiply 121, and this total amount part value they are giving you nothing but 121 parts value 14,520. 121 parts value 14,120. Then one part is equals to 121 is the 121, 121 and 21, 24 is remaining, 242. 121 into 2 and last 0 is there. One part value 120. In the same case you have to do one part value 120 here. 100 into 120 nothing but 12,000. So what is the principal amount they have taken? 12,000. 12,000. Can you answer this question? A and B together can do a work in how many days? 3 days. A is 40 percentage less efficient than B. A is equals to what? 40 percentage less. 40 percentage means 2 by 5. So less means minus 2. That means work ratio of A is to B. If A is working, if A is eating 5 chocolates, if B is eating 5 chocolates, A is eating only 3 chocolates because 5 minus 2, nothing but 3. In one day, totally they are eating how many chocolates? 8 chocolates. In one day, 8 chocolates. Like that, they are working for 50 days. So, what are the total chocolates? 400 chocolates are there totally. Okay. In this 400 chocolates, A working alone can complete 60 percentage. In this 400, what is the 60 percentage? 60 by 100. These 60 percentage chocolates can be eaten by whom? A. A capacity per day? 3 divided by 3. So how many days A alone can take? 80. 80. Can you answer this question? Coding and decoding. A value 1. K value 11. 11 means 1 plus 1. 2. B value 2. A value 1. R value 18. 18 plus 1, nothing. 1 plus 8, nothing but 9. When you add all of them, what is the total answer? 15. In the same way, try to answer for this question. A, N, W, A, R is there. Apply the same logic for this one. Comment your answer. Answer this question. The class interval 13 to 23, and 23 is known as what? Everyone, I'm expecting comments for this question quickly. 23 is what? Comment your answer. Ready? Have a lot of questions here. Coding, decoding. Try to take the screenshot and say the answer. Save 4 letters are there. 4 factorial 24. 2 letters are there. 2 factorial 2. 5 letters are there. 5 factorial 120. Okay. And also arrangement question, very important. Try to take the screenshot of this one also, and comment your answers for this one. Six into 6 36. 3 into 6 18. 1 into 8 8. In this one, what is the wrong term? 3 into 1 3. 4 into 2 8. 5 into 1 5. 2 into 3 6. 3 into 3 actually 9, but 8 is there, so this is the wrong one. Okay, can you answer this question? In triangle ABC, if angle A is equals to 3, angle B is equals to angle C, then angle A is equals to what? Okay, 2A, let's say angle 3B is equal to 6C, I will assume as K. So 2A is equals to K, A is equals to k by 2, and b is equals to, what here? Okay, 2a is equals to k, and 3b is equal to k, and 6c is equals to k. Okay, it is k by 3, it is k by, c is equals to what? K by 6. So write them in ratio, a is to b is to c. A value k by 2, b value k by 3, c value k by 6. K cancel. 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 6. What is the LCM? 2, 3, 6 LCM? 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 3 and 2 and 1. So totally how many parts are there? 6 parts are there. 6 parts value 180 degrees, because it is a triangle total angle. One part is equal to how many degrees? 30 degrees. One part to 30. They are asking you angle A. Angle A, how many parts are here? 3 parts. So 3 into 3 totally how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay. After a discount of 34 percentage, totally a product cost, let's say that 100 percentage. In this one they are giving you 34 percentage discount. That means they are selling it for 66 percentage. And this 60%, 66 percentage value they are giving you. What is the value they are giving you? 3168. They are asking you what is the market price. Market price is 100 percentage. Okay, 11 6 the 11 to the 22, and 11 to the 8 9 7 8 the 88, 8 the 88. And can you please comment 11 to the 22, 89 96 11 8 the 88, 8 11 8 the 88. 6 ones the 6 for the 24, 4 6 8 the 48. So answer is 4800.